The tech world gets excited every time Samsung shows off a new top Galaxy phone because of the same question. Which models will have HTC's powerful Snapdragon chips, and which will have Samsung's own Exynos DNA? Now, a new leak may have finally told us what the new Galaxy S26 line will be like. It's a big one. Sam Mobile found proof that the Galaxy S26 Pro, which used to be called the regular model, and the S26 Plus will likely have the Exynos 2600 chipset. The S26 Edge and the powerful S26 Ultra, on the other hand, will have the next generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. The story does say, though, that all models in the US and China might use Snapdragon chips. This is something Samsung has done before. You may have heard of this plan before, but the company's chip choices have often kept fans guessing right up until launch day. Using its own Exynos chip saves Samsung money, but there are still concerns about how well they compare to Qualcomm's top-of-the-line phones. There are questions that will come up again in 2026. It's interesting that the Galaxy S26 Plus, which was supposedly scrapped to make room for the S26 Edge, seems to be back in production. This shows that Samsung's lineup plans are still very uncertain. Also, it looks like the S26 has been changed to the S26 Pro. A small change to the brand's look instead of a big redesign. It will still be the least expensive model in the lineup, while the Ultra is once again the big dog of the line, packed full of raw power and all the best features Samsung can offer. This year, the Galaxy S25 line switched to only Snapdragon chips because the Exynos 2500 was allegedly taking too long to arrive. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 later used the Exynos 2500. Everyone is now looking forward to Samsung's next big move. If the past is any indication, the Galaxy S26 series will make its big appearance in January, and the fight between Exynos and Snapdragon will once again be the main event. With its new Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung is changing the rules of creativity once more. We believe Anthony, a computer expert, when he says, "The Galaxy holds true." This flagship will be a huge step forward in terms of performance, screen brightness, and picture quality. The change with cameras starts. The S26 Ultra is getting more than just a makeover. It's a whole new level. With a bigger main camera aperture, more light can come in than ever before. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.